What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2015 Chevy Sonic. It's got a loud rattling noise, loud vibration sound. Let's turn this off so you can try and hear it. Here we go. Hear that? Look at my mirror. Oh, sounds rough. Anyways, we're gonna take care of that vibration sound right now. All right, so stay tuned. Here we go. Can you hear that? Everything shakes. All right, here we go. 90% of the time, the engine mounts on these vehicles get worn out. So that's actually located right here. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. And I'm gonna try to go as quick as possible so the video is not as long, okay? First thing we need to do is we need to remove this airbox assembly. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do that by unplugging this thing right here and loosening up this clamp right here, and then pulling the whole thing, the whole assembly as a whole should come out. All right, here we go. Unplug this sensor right here, pull this clip, push the tab, pull it out, loosen this up with your 8mm just to get the hose off. This should come as a whole. Pull up and out, just like that. Bam. So step one is to remove the airbox, set it aside. Next step is to put a jack underneath with a little piece of wood to support the engine. I'm going to show you right now. Here we go. All right, guys, as you can see, I have positioned the jack underneath the vehicle with a block of wood in between the jacks so I can lift up on the oil pan and get started. Put enough pressure on the engine so it doesn't fall off when you remove that mount. All right, here we go. So you have to play with it. Once you support the engine from underneath, grab a 15mm, all right, 15mm socket, get you a breaker bar, loosen all these up. There's a total of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Loosen these up first and start removing them slowly. And then if your engine starts to drop, keep lifting it, okay, until it's level with that. And then we're gonna remove the other 3 from the mount. So here we go. So once you break them loose, you're ready to just start loosening this up, just like that. You see, it's pretty much level. You can always adjust the height of the engine. There we go. What causes the rattle noise is the rubber bushings in here wear out, and it causes metal to metal vibrations. So here, let's take these out real fast. Put them somewhere safe. All right, and that's that side. Now we need to take these out right here and remove the whole mount. Here we go. All right, once you break those, take them off. All right, I'll try to speed this up. Here's 1. Here's 2, and here's this bolt, 3. All right, now we lift this up and the engine mount comes out. You see this right here? You see how worn out and broken that is? That's why this is making that loud noise. Out with the old guys and in with the new right here. Here's the new part. We're gonna go ahead and set it right in here. The bolts should line up perfectly. All right, now the next step is to line these bolts up and get this going. If you get the universal mount, you may have to get a longer bolt. We went to the Ace hardware store and got a bolt that was just 1/2 inch longer, and it's gonna work for us, for this one right here. Because the old one that comes out, the original is a little too small, so you need something a little bit bigger. Or you may want to add a washer or put some thread locker in here so it doesn't come out with the vibrations. All right, but other than that, you should be good to go. So we're gonna put this baby back together and then get moving. To adjust the engine right there, you can actually grab your hand and move it like so, back and forth if you need to get it lined up like that. All right, there you go. All right, guys, once you tighten everything up, don't forget to torque them down to specifications. I don't have that. I would suggest you Google it, and then you're pretty much good to go. Lower the engine mount. Hopefully our engine doesn't fall apart. There we go. Bam. Just like that. Pull out the jack from underneath. Reinstall everything else. All right, once you put everything back together and tighten up, it's time to start it up and see what it sounds like. Here we go. Here we go. With the key inside, we're gonna start it up. No more vibration. No more vibration, no more tank noise, no more diesel sound. That is how you fix a loud vibration on a 2011 and up Chevy Sonic, Cruze, Trax, everything else that has the same thing. All right, there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.